spray. Here what's a cat.
Spray. Here we are,
What?
once a cat. Now what are we doing today, Mia?
You're gonna clean my car and my tricycle.
We're gonna clean your car and your tricycle. This is the tire bucket, right? Hold it down. Right there. Enough water? Do you wanna do the Blackfire foam or the Dr. Beasley's body wash?
If I spray that one, I
Okay. Okay, we'll do this one. We're gonna use Dr. Beasley's premium body wash.
You see that splash?
Yeah, I did, but here, we're gonna drop this in here. That's your mitt. And keep filling it up, okay? Fill this one up. Hold it. Stand over here on the side. Turn this on.
Look, Dad, he's touching me. Jump. I'm hopping in muddy pond.
Now this is probably way too much, but then it says to spread it with a microfiber applicator. So Mia, are you gonna help me do this?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna go over the whole car, okay? So, back and forth.
I don't want to do that one.
What? You wanna do it? You don't wanna do it? So it says after you spread it, you let it sit for 2 minutes.
I got it.
Yeah.
It looks like a baseball. You know
Yeah,
that it looks like a
I do know that. Okay, a lot of water behavior.
Is it done?
So this increased the water behavior. Let's take a little look. So it's like a booster, like a topper, since this car was already coated. This came out really nice. Good morning. Here we are once again. Now, today is Sunday. Me and Mia, we went to church, we went and played, we went and had a good time today, but today we washed her vehicle. She got to playing in the sprinkler, she's soaking wet, she's taking a shower right now. So, I wanted to speak specifically about Modesta M4SMOKE. After we washed her Lamborghini, I was like, I want to try something that we haven't tried before. We applied Modesta M4SMOKE, sprayed it all over her Lamborghini. Now it's already ceramic coated, but we wanted to see how this works. Took a microfiber applicator, spread it all on, let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then rinsed it off. Immediately, the water action, the water behavior started beating. It like boosted it. It was like reload on steroids, Car Pro Reload. This was incredible, very easy to work with. I don't think it would have been difficult even doing a big vehicle. Granted, we did a Power Wheel, but even doing a full-size vehicle outside real quickly, I don't think it would have been a problem at all. So, really impressed with this. I don't know how it's gonna make the next time we wash it. It was so simple to wash to begin with. I don't know if it's gonna help boost it, but first impressions for M4SMOKE, this is fire. This is legit. I really like this. Mia was less impressed, mostly because by that point she decided it was sprinkler time, and that's all she was focused on. So we broke out the beach ball sprinkler, which has got the little wavy arms, sent water everywhere. It's starting to get hot here in California, so she thought it was just the perfect sprinkler time. But Modesta M4SMOKE, check it out. It's a wet application sealant. You spray it on while the vehicle is wet, rub it in with a microfiber applicator or something like that. You could use a mitt, anything that you know is going to help you rub it in quickly and efficiently, and then let it sit for 2 minutes, and then just rinse it off with water. Drying process is super simple. no issues, no problems, no streaks. Really enjoyed it. Check it out, Modesta M4SMOKE. Thank you. Yep. So we'll talk to you later. We'll do a little sit down review.
Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.
Sprinkle, sprinkle. Bye.
Sprinkle, bye.